Good morning, students. I hope everybody registered your name in the school. Otherwise, do it soon. Okay, today we are in commerce. We are going to start the first lesson: management process, principles of management. Okay. See, knowingly or unknowingly, daily we are managing something. Okay, everybody managing something. Management is part and a parcel of our day-to-day life. Okay, the practice of management could be found in the entire endeavor, entire. Okay, whatever that is, wherever is the place, the school, library, house, we are managing something. Okay, in the house, father is managing the family, mother is managing the house. Okay, teacher is managing the school, students are managing the lessons. Okay, they are listening, so they are also managing. What is management? Okay, see, the practice of management helps to achieve the organizational vision and determines the future of the business enterprise. Okay, in a way, the success or otherwise of an organization or an individual is more decided by the way they manage their functions, duties, and responsibilities. So, it goes without saying management in all the more important the organizational life in any part of the world. Okay, management is very important in every that is in everything. See, we plan many of our actions and execute them in a systematic manner to arrive at the desired result. Okay, management is goal oriented and it is an art of getting things done with and through others. Okay, that is, we can do management with others help. Okay, now concept of management. The management concept can be understood from the characters of management. Characters of management. Number one, body of knowledge. Number one, body of knowledge. Management has now developed into special body. That is, management literature is growing in all countries. Management knowledge is the best passport to enter the world of employment, either in business world or government or private. Okay, that is, if you want to go to foreign for any purpose, that is for higher education or for travel or for job, we want passport. Okay, without passport we cannot go to foreign. Like that, here management is like a passport to enter into the world of employment, what that is private or government. Okay, so management is very important. Number two, management tools. Tools of management have been developed: accounting, business law, psychology, statistics, econometrics, then data processing, etc. The branches of management profession have enhanced the practical utility of the science of management. Then number three, separate discipline. See, management studies in many universities and institutions of higher learning are recognized. Since 1951, many specialized schools of management offering master's degree in business management and administration. Then that is they are studying export management, personal management, general management, production management, marketing management and financial management. Then number 4, specialization. There is a growing tendency to select and appoint highly qualified, trained and experienced persons to manage the business in each functional areas of management. Thus, we have today an increasing tendency in favor of management by experts or professionals. Number 5, code of conduct. Code of conduct. Enlightened businessmen have recognized that business management is a social institution. Okay. It has social responsibilities towards fulfilled towards customers, employees and public. Now, consumer oriented marketing concept is the reflection. Okay. Corporate code of conduct, pressure of consumerism, trade unionism, public opinionism. Okay. No longer buyer beware is ruling the exchange relations in the market. At present, seller beware. At present, seller beware in the place of buyer beware. Number 6, professional association. The business management associations in many countries to promote the spread of knowledge in all management areas and to build up the bright public image of managerial profession. See, now we have seen what is management, then the characters of management. Now we are going to see definition of management. See, there are 3 definitions. One is general definition, another one is Henry Fayol's definition, the third one is Peter F. Drucker's definition. Now we are going to see. Management is a distinct ongoing process of allocating inputs of an organization, that is human and economic resources, by typical managerial functions, that is planning, organizing, directing and controlling for the purpose of achieving stated objectives, vice output of goods and services desired by its consumers. So this one general definition. Next we are going to see Henry Fayol's definition. Henry Fayol's definition: to manage is to forecast, to plan, to organize, to command, to coordinate and to control. This is the definition of Henry Fayol. Henry Fayol's definition for management: to manage is to forecast, to plan, to organize, to command and to coordinate and to control. So that is what a manager does is called as management. Then Peter F. Drucker's definition. Management is a multi-purpose organ that manages a business and manages manager and manages worker and work. That is Peter F. Drucker's definition. Management is a multi-purpose organ that manages a business and manages manager and manages work and worker. That is the definition of management by Peter F. Drucker. Drucker stresses 3 jobs of management. Number 1 is managing a business. Number 2, managing manager. Number 3, managing workers and work. Even if one is omitted, the management is not fine. even one is cited, it would not have management anymore and is also would not have a business enterprise or an individual. According to Peter Drucker, the manager has to balance and integrate three major jobs a business enterprise has mentioned above. Manager is a dynamic and life-giving element in every business. Without efficient management, it cannot be secure the best allocation of and utilization of human, material and financial resources. Okay, ma, that's tomorrow we will see management is an art or science. We will continue tomorrow. Today we have seen what is management, the definitions of management, the characters of management. Today we have seen. Okay, students, daily I will after teaching a lesson I will send you the question answers and one word answers. You prepare and study well. Thank you.